What's up guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my video. So guys, this video is gonna be special. Actually every video is be special, but this video will be like we are going to consider about Malaysia transporting subway like trains. So in this video my main goal about comparing the Malaysian Kuala Lumpur subway versus US America subway. Okay guys, so the decision will be in your hands, because after this maybe a lot of comments gonna come and they will say like, no, not like this, not like this. But as genuinely, my opinion is this country's subway extremely safe. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
This country's subway extremely safe with 24-hour surveillance.
Yeah, surveillance,
CCTV camera with security, with all
police security.
Yeah, always
they are patrolling in stations.
Yeah, so it's extremely safe and hygiene. So guys, you're gonna decide it which one is you will be prefer. Okay guys, then see you there. What's up, bro?
Nothing, bro.
Today we are comparing LMRT subway station with US. Subway station is supposed to be always clean and safe.
Every 12 hours security. They are guarding and everything. ओए पैकेज खत्म हो गया.
So as you can see how clean is this toilet. Maybe I think you guys can't find this kind of cleanness in US. Yeah, toilet is extremely clean, everything is perfect. Actually, I am personally very satisfied with this country. They have extremely hygiene environment. Okay, and I personally recommended to come here to everyone to visit this. So everything is neat, clean, hygiene environment is very nice, and everyone is good. And I'll show you the toilet, how clean is this, and I'm gonna show you more. Yeah, stay in touch with me.
साथ हैं वो रेड शर्ट वाली,
क्या हुआ?
वो आपको देख रही थी वो।
ओए उसको देखी जाने दे। Guys, you can see how clean these are station with all security 24 hours.
उसकी भी डाल।
Guys, this is Merdeka 118.
In front of Merdeka.
So guys, we are currently transferring to other MRT. Right now we are just in LRT. I just show you the whole LRT, how it's work, how clean is this, how hygiene is there, extremely hygiene, toilet, everything, extremely clean. Now we are getting into another subway, but it's like advanced, very advanced. It's called MRT. Yeah. So here we are getting down. There you go.
I'm gonna sit right there. पीछे तो इतना बड़ा टप्पड़ है। मुझे उधर से क्या कहना चाहिए था, ऊंची था ना। जाऊंगा
Gotcha.
है ना।
This is a police checkpost. Police is not here, but they are always like monitoring in CCTV. Everything is secure. So guys, you see
see that guy.
what?
He's playing
Okay, let's see. Yeah, he's a lone ranger. Okay guys, so you see everyone finish their work, their job, and they get back to home and safely. Nobody has to be worried about like snatch or thief snatching or nothing. Not like America. So behind is so many announcements. Yeah. So let's go down and check it out, more explore. very easy to grab a token, or either you can reload your this touch and go card. Can also use by bus and train multiple using. Just like keep here, and you can pay by Visa card or like just select the option. Is very easy. This is all machines, very clean and safe, full and easy to use. In subway station got Dunkin Donuts a lot. There you are. This is our destination. Okay, so what's up guys? So right now we are reached on our destination, Bukit Bintang. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, yeah, I'm gonna show them pavilion. Yeah, there you go. So right now we are in Bukit Bintang. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a fat thumbs up and we're gonna enjoy over there. If you wanna watch another vlog, stick with this. Okay, I'm gonna put the link in the description, and don't forget to watch my another video is coming. So as so far I show you MRT, LRT, and I'm gonna show you more how's the bus transporting like system going on here. How safe is this subway? Yeah, everything was extremely, safe.
And if any elected is going there,
no, they
not.
here not lot of any elected.
Yeah, but
here everything is clean and
yeah, but we'll try to find.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a fat thumbs up and stick with me and until another time, until the next time. Okay guys, see you. Bye. Bro, you gonna say something else?
Nothing.
Guys, bye.
Meron, देखो वो